One of the most unique, cool properties I've seen in a long time. The title out here, Wind Down, should tell you all you need to know, because if you're looking to wind down somewhere, take it easy, vacation, sit on the back porch and enjoy beautiful lakefront views and sunsets, this place is for you. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, wait till you see it, you're gonna love it. So today we're at 2350 Lakeview in beautiful Haines City, Florida. I'm going to show you the property line. It's a beautiful day here, but before we go inside, a couple things. This is the property line over to here. So all this gravel is part of this property. And there's also where the truck is, that's a driveway. So plenty of parking for guests. Now, one thing that's very unique to point out is couple things. There is a canal across the street. This is a private road owned by the residents. This is a boat ramp for this property where you can launch your very own pontoon boat. So why not have a pontoon boat, put it over into Lake Lowery, hanging out with your family, your friends, if you want to enjoy something really nice. Dock has been redone. You can tell it's in terrific shape. And then you just take this and it winds all the way around into Lake Lowery. Very nice and peaceful out here. Let's take a walk through and see what this property has to offer. I do want to point out the University of Florida flag, very important. Gator fans only. So here is the name of it. Here's the driveway we talked about. So we're gonna do a walkthrough. Now, when you first walk in, you're gonna see that you probably don't wanna leave anytime soon. Maybe grab your pool sticks and let's shoot some pool. Take a look at all the beautiful wood. Storage area to the right. So it's just a large storage area. But how cool is this? Could be a great room. You can pull the pool table, leave it as is. It's set up really nice. Or make it an extra sitting room, what have you. Pop right up here. You can see all the wooden platform, and then like a built-in tiki bar. Isn't that cool? I'm going to give you a tease of, look at this view. Relax on your screened lanai. Sit in the hammock. Have your favorite drink and just enjoy those views. We're going to come back and I'm going to show you that more in detail. So let's walk through and show you the main part of the house. Step right up here. You can see all the craftsmanship that went into this place. I mean, you talk about really, really nicely done. Absolutely stunning. It's in great condition. So the kitchen has granite countertops. You can see all the wood cabinets. It does have a gas range, built-in microwave, plenty of counter space, plenty of cabinets, family room area, nice size. And then this is a eat-in, I say a eat-in kitchen. It's really a separate dining area, which is really good size. You can see this has got the ceramic tile flooring. Again, all the ceiling is just, it's gorgeous. And then over here is another area, like a sitting area. You can make it an office like they've done here. But you can see how open everything is. It's like you're in a mountain house, but you're in a lakefront home. Now check out the master bedroom. You can see it's a nice size, king size bed, but it's, I believe it's, looks like tongue and groove wood. And you can see it's got all the windows here. This is the master bathroom. So you got your shower, your sink. See, they've done some nice upgrading here. Then an area for towels, ceramic tile flooring. And then here is your closets. So it's got double closets. You can see that's cedar. It's really pretty. So that's the master. Now let's go look at the other side, which is the other 2 bedroom and 1 bath. Walking back this way, you're going to see, let me flip a light on here. So this is the other bedroom. Double windows. And then this is the back bedroom, which is really going to overlook the water. Got some bunk beds in here. There's a little bit, it's a walk-in closet this way. You can see again, they've run a lot of this wood is just beautiful. And then this is the other full bathroom, which by the way, the laundry is, facilities are in here. So this has got the ceramic tile flooring because you're in a wet area. So you want that. And then your everything here, toilet, and then this, I believe has a tub shower combination. And then right inside here, this is usually closed, but you can open it up and here's your laundry. So you got the full size washer dryer. The owner will consider selling furnished. In fact, they'd like to. And you can see some extra cleaning supplies here, your AC, air handlers, and plenty of lighting here. So that's your second full bath. Let's go take a look at the outside where you really want to spend your time. So we're going to go out to the water now and go take a look at these beautiful views. The hammock, the chairs, all the different decks. They're in great condition. I think I showed you earlier, this is the large screen lanai. It's massive, overlooking everything. So there's a couple different ways to access it through the side here, but let's go right out the back and start to explore this beautiful lake house. By the way, love it. Life is better at the lake. Relax and unwind, Lake Lowery. Okay. So maybe you want to come over here and get the grill going, make some burgers or steaks. This does go around this way. And you can jump up on this deck here if you want to eat this way. But look at these beautiful views. Incredible. Let's go back over here. You can see it's got an additional deck over this way. It's all lights up nice at night. Now on the side here, it's really just a side yard. It's where your well is. Got a water softener system, your air conditioning handler. So more or less just land with all that equipment there. But you can see all the beautiful views. Sit up on the beach here. Need I say more? Let's go take a walk down here, see what we can get into. Don't know if you like to fish, if you like to boat. But you can see coming on out here, they've made some dock repairs, so that's all fresh wood. You can see this is the back. Fantastic. And there you have it. This is beautiful Lake Lowery. Absolutely a gorgeous day today. So peaceful and serene. You can see that it's very smooth. We're having a cool day here in Florida. We're not used to that. Today's a little cool. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour. It's absolutely stunning. You don't see many properties like this one. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. What a fantastic place just to get away. If you'd like to subscribe to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Share this video with somebody who's looking for a great lake house, or call me. All my information is below. We can chat. I can give you more information on this place. Love to show it to you, myself or my team. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Have a great day.